You'll see in our 3D model we have a guardrail with a terminator applied to the end of that on the left side. And let's take a look how we can do that on the right side. So I'm going to open up my feature definition toolbar and I'm going to pick my right guardrail. So I'll go under linear modeling, guardrail and barrier, and select my right side guardrail, make that my active feature, and also tell it to create my profile off my center line. Then I'm going to go to my Civil AccuDraw, toggle that on, make sure that I'm in the station and offset mode. Select offsets and tapers and go to partial offset, and I'm going to locate my baseline, and then I want to use my tab key to go to my offset field to hit the letter O for offset origin and then we'll select our reference alignment, and now we'll be tracking that alignment. So you'll see the stationing and offset track that. Tab and then type in our station, in my case 120, 17 to the right, accept that. Now at this point our tracking changes, and so I want to go down to 121, 17 feet right, but I'm not tracking my center line anymore after I place that command. So I'm going to tab to my offset key, again hit the letter O, and I'm pick my baseline again. And now I'm tracking on my baseline. So I'll tab out to station again, type in 121.00 and offset 17, enter, and then accept. And that will place my guardrail on the right side from 120 to 121 at 17 feet right. Now we're going to place the end terminators. So we are done with the feature definition toolbar. So let's go ahead and zoom in where we're going to be placing this, and we can close our toolbar. And then I'm going to enable the place point feature definition, again with Civil AccuDraw loaded. And our feature definition for this is going to be the right lead end. And so I'm going to select my reference elevation for elevation is my guardrail, 0 offset, select it again for my rotation reference. Now again, we want to tab to our offset field, hit the letter O, and touch our main baseline if we're not tracking along the baseline. In this instance, we're still tracking along the baseline, so we don't have to reset that. Accept your location and then accept your rotation. If you've locked in your rotation at 0, then it will be placed exactly as the cell was designed. And so there will be a little bit of a kink, but you can increase that rotation if you want. Then we can go down to the other end and perform the same exercise. So again, place point feature definition. We're going to pick our trailing cell, if you will. Select a guardrail for the reference, 0 offset elevation, select it again, and then we're going to type in again our station and our offset. So this will be 121.00, 17 right, accept that with your mouse click, and then accept again your angle of rotation. And so you'll see that little bit of a kink there on our tangent, and that completes the command. And so you'll see that we have our 3D terminator added to the end of our guardrail. And we do have some other ones in here as well. We have cable barrier, and we also have a different type of terminator, TL3, which are federal standards. And so if we take a look here, you'll see we've got the cable barrier category, and then we also have in there the guardrail TL3 terminator. Hopefully this helps you understand how to place these, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.